Tariki kenda mweri wa gatano o mwaka ukoragwo ari muthi wa mwanya kuri andu aria mekirire kuramata maria maturigiceirie makimurika bata wa kugitira CIIMBU. Thiini wa thi gukoragwo na makiria ya mihiriga 200 ya CIIMBU, mihiriga 19 ikioneka guku bururi-ini. Kuringana na ngwataniro ya ATARAMU a maundu megie kugitira maria maturigiceirie thiini wa thi, CIIMBU cire ugwati-ini wa KUHUKA gukinyeria mwaka wa 2050 angikorwo ikinya ria naihenya ritigutacukio kugitira CIIMBU kumana na thuguri cia magendo.
Major threat is the loss of the habitat. As you know, most of the people they're mainly in the islands areas which are forests, and those are the same areas where people want to cultivate for agriculture.
Patrick Malonza ni umwe wa afitha kuma National Museums of Kenya, na kwa ihinda iraya wira wake ukoretwo ari guthuthuria maingi megie CIIMBU.
Because initially my interest was on birds and mammals, but when I came to the museum and found that only very few people were interested in studying these animals, so at least I said I need to make a change so that at least we don't all crowd in the same field, which has got very many people, and that is how I managed now to venture into studying reptiles and amphibians.
Guku bururi-ini muhiriga wa mwanya wa CIIMBU na uria wonekaga thiini wa gitaru gia gatagati ga bururi uri ugwati-ini wa kuhuka kumana na mihango ya urimi urundumwe na kuhuka kwa mititu. Malonza agitariria uria ungikura CIIMBU ici na niki kia mwanya hari o muhiriga wa CIIMBU.
We have got two groups of chameleons, the ordinary chameleons, the ones which can change color to maybe different colors, different kind of some can change from blue, others a mix of blue and green, and then we have those others which have got less ability to change color. That they are just like, we call them leaf chameleons because they look like dead leaves. Most of the unique chameleons, they are associated with the forest, and one of the popular chameleons we have in Kenya is the Jackson's 3-horned chameleon, which you find it in the Central Islands of Kenya, in which case the male has got 3 horns and the female has got either 1 horn or it may have no horn at all.
Ataramu a maundu makoni nyamu ni moritie thirikari gwikirira makiria uthuthuria na oho kuhinga mianya yothe ya thuguri ya magendo ya wendia wa CIIMBU nja ya bururi.
Conserving these animals and protecting them and their habitat is a collective responsibility. And most of the wildlife in Kenya occurs like chameleons. Most of them will find them in outside protected areas. So it's only to protect their habitat. And also, in case you find people who are trying to say we are collecting chameleons, you report them to the authorities which deal with wildlife conservation, either the National Police Service Security or the nearest office of the KWS.
Ihinda-ini o riu Ataramu makiuga kambeini cia mahinda kwa mahinda ni ciguteithiriria kugitira CIIMBU na mititu kana ithaka kuria CIIMBU cikaraga. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, gitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.